Hello everyone, Cisco Cracker again with the aquaponics setup that we've been getting going in the greenhouse. It's your typical 10 foot by 12 foot you can get from Harbor Freight. On sale right now with a coupon for like 600 bucks. Anyhow, there's the 300 gallon fish tank. There's the big food grade liner around it. This is the sump tank with a submersible pump. And then I've got an extra pump, so in the event I have a problem with the first one, I can use that second one. I'm pulling water right up off the bottom and putting it in these 3 T's here. 3 T's and a 90, 2 T's and a 90. The line in the middle goes off to the fish tank, and that's the water you see coming in right there. And that's highly oxygenated, because of water always breaking the surface and driving bubbles into this tank here, especially when these drains kick off. There's Roman numeral 1, and then underneath the other you can see 2, and then the big 2-inch line is the drains for 3, 4, and 5. I have a temporary drain set up right here in front of me. That's taking the place of grow bed 6, which we don't have yet. So as it moves around, the bottom ball valve runs 3, 4, and 5. The top one runs 1 and 2. And right now I have just the ball valves hand turned to the right amounts to where I can fill these grow beds all in parallel, and they all drain in their own time. So once we get in here, you can see this grow bed 1. And this is the expanded clay hydrostone. It's 25 bucks a bag. Takes 4 bags to fill one of these 50-gallon Rubbermaid aquaculture products bins. Pick those up at Tractor Supply for 70 bucks a piece. I got 5 of them. I've got the big 300-gallon down here from those guys. It was like $250, $280, somewhere in there. Lots of 1-inch pipe. Elbows and tees. I've got this unistrut, or as they call it at Lowe's in the electrical department, super strut. Build a frame with the angle iron. And I've got feet down at the bottom of the angle. And the same thing goes for these grow beds 3 and 4 are sitting on top of super strut with angle iron. And it's cross braced. Got feet down there. 1/4-20 bolts holding it together at the bottom, 3 8/16 bolts at the top where the rail joins the angle iron, and then I've got braces tying it up against the wall of the greenhouse, so stabilizes the whole platform here. And you can see I've pulled my little orbit valves out. They were in line right along these threaded joins, because I was able to manually adjust the water down due to this pump. It's a $40 pump from Harbor Freight. It's 1356 gallons per hour. It says it will not exceed 9.5 psi. So I'm using that as a means, and it's got 1.5 inch output. So I'll reduce it down to 1 inch. I got a union. I need another check valve right here, and I'll add that later. But yeah, just got this up and running again, and it's completely analog. There isn't any digital in it. No valve control yet. So here goes grow bed number 2, draining. And you can see it's continuously filling. It's just that it can drain faster than it can fill, so it cycles properly. And then, like I say, in their own time, grow bed 1 will cycle. 3, 4, and 5 will cycle out of that 2-inch line right over there. So works great. Keep up page for updates, and check out YouTube Cisco Cracker for updates in the future on the aquaponics. Thanks.